Ever, wide gangway. But here's Yarwood, so we decided instead of 1500 horsepower in a Super, it's safer in a Corolla. Here we go. Nice off the law. Oh, cool. It's somewhere between 6 double. Line first. And that brings us to Terry Ballard. And Will Yarwood, the Supra. But this little Corolla is a sweet bit of gear here. Terry Ballard, of course, in the HG station wagon, I believe it is. He's got this one wrapped up, and yes, he does. On that 490 dial in, 550 for Chris Carnberg as well.
Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one.